We can see on this graph showing 2019 to 2023 that home values have been increasing every year in Portland, Oregon, and the surrounding cities. But if we exclude Lake Oswego, we can see that in 2023, 11 out of 12 locations show a decrease year on year. Here's the average annual appreciation graph showing 2019 to 2023. In 2023, all but Lake Oswego and Tigard dip into the negative. The average annual appreciation should be approximately 4 to 6%, but real estate is a long-term investment and these highs and lows average out. Let's prove this theory by looking at our appreciation maps. In 2023, all locations but Lake Oswego are below the benchmark. The 5-year average shows all locations within or above the benchmark. The 10-year average shows all locations within or above the benchmark. The 20-year average shows all locations within or above the benchmark. This will be a fun trend to watch during 2023.